Hey again, everybody. Here's another problem from the worksheet or the bookwork, wherever you're getting it from, where they'll give you some coordinates, some points, and they'll ask you something like, plot the points, draw the angle, classify the angle, and then find a point somewhere on the interior. So let's kind of run through one like that. I think they give you graph paper for these, so yours will be a little more accurate than mine, but I'll just get a rough sketch just so I have something that's reasonable. So A is at negative 5, 4. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere around here. That's A. B is at 1, 4, so that's about here. And negative 2 is C. Negative 2 is C. Okay. Now you might ask, okay, how do you know how to connect them? Do you connect, A, C, B? Do you go B, C, A? Do you go A, B, C? Well, they'll have to tell you. So in this case, let's just call it angle ABC, just to keep it in order for arbitrary, just totally arbitrary. So that's what I want. So angle ABC means that B is the vertex, because remember the letter in the middle is always the vertex. If you're having trouble with the naming and understanding how that part works, please watch the other video from Miss McMullen. She made a great video on how to name the angles and classify them and go from there. But anyway, so this is going to be angle ABC. So it should look something like this, where technically it would keep going, right? Because the angle is made up of rays that have a common endpoint. So this is really angle ABC. If you go to connect it like this, like a V, well then you've really created angle ACB. But that's not what I asked for. So we got to make sure we read it and do exactly the angle that they want. So here's the angle, looks decent, and then they ask, well, what kind of angle is it? What classification? Well, clearly this angle measure, without even using a protractor, is going to be less than 90. 90 would be like over here, right? It would go straight across, straight down, since this is the way it's drawn. So this is definitely an acute angle, since it's between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay? Then the last part of the question is usually something about interior or exterior. So interior, if you think about it, it's just all the space in between the sides. Okay? And the exterior is basically everywhere else. What about points A, B, and C? Well, technically those are actually on the angle. Okay, this is the interior. This is the exterior, basically everywhere else. And then this is the actual, the angle itself, the sides of the angle. So you'd be on the sides of the angle. So if they want a point that's on the interior, literally pick any point you want. Pick an easy one if you want. Pick one that's on the axis. So this would be what? Negative 5, 0. Oops. Negative 5, 0. Right? If you want to, you don't really want to cut it close and say, oh, geez, what about negative 1, 0? That kind of looks like it's on the exterior, but maybe I just didn't draw it very well. So you got to be careful. If they ask for a point on the exterior, well, that would be easy too. Just pick one like out here, somewhere where it's clearly not inside the angle. Okay? I think that takes care of that type of question. But if you need anything else, just let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.